Hello, my fellow Zkers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find 10 best-selling products in just 15 minutes using ZIK Analytics Market Insights. So if you're looking for ideas on what to sell in your eBay store and want to learn how to find winning products using ZIK's Market Insights dashboard, make sure to stick around until the end of this video. So let's dive in. In this video, we'll be focusing on AliExpress as our supplier. Why AliExpress? Well, using AliExpress, we will be able to find products with high demand and profit margins. Additionally, AliExpress is great for dropshippers and is perhaps the most dropshipping-friendly supplier out there. ZIK Market Insights dashboard makes the product research super easy for dropshippers to find products without doing much work, saving you plenty of time that dropshippers use to spend finding products manually. And the nice part is that the suggested products and the trending sellers to spy on in the Market Insights dashboard are updated every 24 hours. So you can rely on this tool alone to find winning products on a regular basis. Before we dive in, let's set up our Market Insights dashboard for AliExpress dropshipping. To the right of the seller settings, you can click on the tool icon to edit this. Adjust the settings like this: selling on eBay.com, my business model, dropshipping, sourcing from AliExpress, and product shipped from China. With these settings, we're all set to start our product hunt. Note that if you're working with another supplier, such as Amazon or Walmart, all you need to do is follow this video and adjust the settings on the Market Insights dashboard by choosing your preferred supplier. Okay, so now that we're all set, let's head to the trending product section and find our first 5 best sellers. Now, this trending product section updates every 24 hours, so you always get the latest data. It would be ideal to check this regularly, every day if possible, and add the items you find with good sales potential to your eBay business. Looking at today's trending items, we can see a lot of flags, and this is mostly because of the Euro Cup. And as you can see, most of them sold over 50 times, even 675 times in the past 30 days, as you can see here. Other items in the mix as well, which also sold quite a few times. What we will do now is quite simple. We will select 5 products that I found with good sales in the past 30 days, preferably products that are not appeal clothing or expensive electronics. So for this example, let's focus on this product here that sold 14 times in the past 30 days, and that isn't a flag because we want to keep it neutral. So you can see how it works when the items are not repeat items. And then from here, I will go ahead and click on the AliExpress icon. Once I have done that, ZIK will suggest the same or alternative product that matches the eBay product specifications. Evaluating an AliExpress seller's reliability. Now, after we found a product from the supplier, in this case, AliExpress, and the product we found can generate us a good profit, we will need to make sure this product is sold by a reliable AliExpress seller. AliExpress, like Amazon or even Walmart, is a marketplace where third-party sellers can sell their products if they follow the marketplace rules and guidelines. However, some third-party sellers do a better job when it comes to customer service and product quality. And this is the reason why we need to check the reviews ratings and return policy of the AliExpress seller. Now, the best way to do this is by checking on the suggested product that ZIK is suggesting for us, which will direct us to the AliExpress product listing. First, let's check the policies of this AliExpress seller. The AliExpress policies can be found near the Buy Now button. Simply check whether you need to pay extra for shipping or if shipping is free, and also review the return policy. In some cases, the return period may be 15 days from the date the product arrives to the buyer, or it could be longer. The final step in checking the AliExpress supplier after understanding their policies is to review the supplier rating, essentially how reliable the seller is. To do this, scroll down until you see the name of the AliExpress store. You can check if the seller has earned badges such as AliExpress Choice, indicating they have met all the AliExpress standards to become a leading seller. Afterward, you can click on the seller's name and visit their store page. Here you will see all of the rating metrics given by real buyers, such as item as described, shipping speed, and communication. If these stats are good, you can use the seller as the supplier for the products we found. If not, just go back and find another product similar to the one selling on eBay and repeat the process in order to work with a reliable seller. It's only an extra minute, but it can save you in the long run. Now let's talk about saving the product for easy upload to eBay by creating folders. You can save the products you found to a ZIK folder for easy upload to eBay using AutoDS or manually. When you find a product you want to list, save it to a ZIK folder. Now to do this is simple. Just click on the supplier icon and you will notice where it says select folder. This is where you can either add this product to an already existing folder, or you can go ahead and create a new one. Let's create a new one for the demonstration. You'll have the option to name it and add a brief description. So let's title this one AE Trending Products. And the description, June 2024, or whatever you'd like. And the final step is to click on New Folder. This makes it easy to go back to these products once you're done product hunting for the day and are ready to upload onto eBay using AutoDS or manually. To access this folder, you will navigate to the My Products tab and you will look for the folder that you created. So all you need to do is find 5 products using the same method I showed you and save them to the folder you created. So here you can see the products I found using this number 1 method that I showed you. So are you ready to find the rest of the winning products quickly? Before we continue and find winning products in no time, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more drop shipping expert tips. Feel free to drop a comment or any questions you may have on the topic. Next, let's find products by scanning sold items from other dropshippers who use AliExpress. Now, the cool part about the Market Insights dashboard is that once you set your preferences, like in our case, we are dropshippers who use AliExpress to source products, the trending dropshippers will match our settings. This means the trending dropshippers you see here are eBay sellers who are dropshipping from AliExpress. All we need to do is scan these eBay sellers and see what their best-selling items are. Simple yet brilliant, don't you think? Sellers with a flame icon indicate they have proven sales, which is what we're looking for. The difference between a seller with this icon versus a seller without is that their sales for the last 30 days are higher than those sellers without. You'll notice these sellers may or may not have a higher feedback score, but they are up there with this flame icon because of their sales in the past month. So let's find products from one of these successful dropshippers and save them to our ZIK folder. Let's look at this seller. By clicking on the seller icon, we can notice that this seller had high sales on eBay. It appears this seller has a variety of products in their store, which is quite common for eBay dropshippers. All we have to do is pick the best-selling items from this seller and look for the exact or similar products from our supplier, in this case, AliExpress. So let's click on the AliExpress icon to see what products ZIK suggests for us to source that are related to this product. Once we find a similar or exact match product and the profit is good, we will quickly check the seller on AliExpress. If the seller has good reviews and a good reputation, all we need to do is click Save on the item and save to a folder we created. Also consider adding more variations of the product you found with high sales to your eBay store. For example, this particular product comes in different characters. Consider adding these variations as well. This will make your offer more appealing to eBay buyers than the competitors. Okay, so now we have 8 products in our folder. 5 from the suggested products and 2 more from the seller we scanned using the suggested trending dropshippers. Let's complete this list to make it 10 products. Are you ready to start scanning sellers and easily sell their best-selling items? Let us know in the comments below if you're going to try this method to quickly find winning products for your store. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more quality content like this about the e-commerce world. Now, let's find the other 2 products to complete our quick research to 10 products overall. For this, we will use the trending eBay niches. These niches are the trendiest in the past 30 days on eBay. This is valuable data because now that we know which niches have the current demand, all we need to do is find the right products to fit the trending niches. Now, look at the niches with a flame icon as they represent fast, high demand. You won't go wrong with the other niches without the flame icon either, but the difference is that these niches with the flame icon are in higher demand at the moment. You can either sell the exact item we find or look for a similar product with better profit margins. Let's find and save 2 good products with these niches in our ZIK folder. Let's choose the pet supplies niche with the flame icon as well as the hair beard cordless. Before we find 2 more products, let's better understand pet supplies niche. First, we can see how fast products are sold in the niche by looking at the sell-through rate. The higher the sell-through rate means products in the niche are selling faster. We can also see how many items have sold overall from the products we got in the results. Also, we have the sales graph, which is important for understanding if the niche is trending up or down in sales. Lastly, we can look at the average price of the products in the niche, which will also help us price the products we found correctly and maximize our profit. Down in the filter, I will sort the results by dropshippers only, and I will exclude Vero to get results from actual dropshippers and keep my account safe by not listing Vero items. Now the process will be the same as the other 2 methods I showed you. However, in this method, we are sourcing products related to a trending niche with high demand. So the potential for a winning product is high. And we have more options to list similar products because the niche is trendy and has high demand for related products. I will identify a product with high sales, click on the AliExpress icon and find the same or a similar product from the list of products ZIK shows me with high profit. From there, I will check the reputation of the policies of the AliExpress seller. If the seller has a good reputation and policies, I will save the product to my ZIK folder. I will repeat the same process with the other trending niche to find one more product to complete our list of 10 products. Again, find a product with good sales, check the supplier on AliExpress, and save to your folder. All right, there you have it. In a short time, we were able to find 10 winning items using the Market Insights dashboard alone. Now we can move on to the final step. Let's now jump into our folder, and using the integrations of AutoDS with ZIK Analytics, you can review all the products you found. Select all of the items and click Upload Selected. And before we add them to the AutoDS, we will ensure we select the correct eBay store where we want to add the products. In case you haven't optimized the title using ZIK Title Builder, which I recommend you to do, choose the title source as from the supplier to avoid any title confusion. I recommend watching this video on how to optimize your product titles using ZIK Title Builder. This will help you have winning products in your store with well-optimized titles that boost these products to the first search pages on eBay. Lastly, we will select exclude Vero brands and exclude restricted keywords, and then we will upload the items. The products will then wait for you in AutoDS in the draft section. And all you need to do is list them to your eBay store. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can list these items manually on your eBay store. So we did it! We found 10 winning products from the trending products section, trending sellers, and trending niches. I hope that after watching this video, you will take full advantage of the Market Insights section. And that's the end of this video, fellow ZIKers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. It will help out the channel greatly and get this video as well as our channel to other eBay dropshippers just like you. Thanks for watching and happy dropshipping!